In today's video, I am going to teach you how to update form in Freshsales. To begin, log in to your Freshsales account and look at the left-hand navigation bar. Find the Admin Settings option, which is shown as a gear icon, and click it. This is where Freshsales keeps the tools for managing settings that affect your whole account, including forms that collect information from your website. Once you are in Admin Settings, locate the section for Leads, Contacts, and Accounts. Open that area and then click on Web Forms. This takes you to the list of forms that have already been created. From here, you can update an existing form instead of starting from scratch. Next, find the form you want to change and select it from the list. After you open it, you will be taken into the form editor, where you can adjust what fields appear and how the form behaves. Now it is time to customize the fields. Look for the option labeled Add Contact Fields and click it. Add the fields you want to collect, such as a name field or other contact details. As you add fields, pay close attention to which ones are marked as required. Required fields are essential because they ensure you collect the minimum information you need for leads or contacts to be useful. A helpful tip is to keep required fields to only what you truly need, since too many required fields can reduce submissions. After your fields are set, configure what happens after someone submits the form. You will see options to display a custom message or to redirect the user to a specific URL. Choose the option that matches your process. A custom message is useful for quick confirmation, while a redirect is often better if you want to send people to a thank you page or next step instructions. When everything looks correct, click Save. Then choose Get Code Snippet. This will provide the HTML or JavaScript snippet you need to embed the updated form on your website. Copy the snippet carefully. Finally, open your website editor and paste the snippet into the HTML body or the footer, depending on how your site is set up. Save and publish your website changes so the updated form appears live. That covers everything you need to know.